Born logic.
Okay.
Right? Upload from device. Desktop. Message query. Desktop. Backups. Then you get install loading. Right?
Oh. Yeah. No. Yeah. Now click on the arrow.
No, I want to say does this capture the gravity you're looking for? So you can proceed 16:9 video. Present. Not serious. Pleasant. Warm. Responsive. Okay. Does this capture? I don't need that.
Yeah, that's from the. We can delete. It's asking us. Yeah, proceed.
Ah. It didn't use the
Image.
no expressive narrator with effective use of hands. Whatever I gave, it didn't give it to this one.
No, it's giving other trending. It's giving other.
You don't want that, right?
No, we don't want cat files over
You need
cyber.
to remove this.
No, that it's giving suggestions for people to click or test those themes or templates. We don't need that. It's just
Okay, I don't. It doesn't affect me, right?
No, it doesn't.
Click here.
Yeah. So there are 300 credits here.
Yeah.
So almost all the AI tools, even if you, so it's generating some video brief. So even if you open another window, Chuck, the powerful one, which the Indian based is, they have lots of users from US, Canada, is InVideo. If you open a new Chrome window, InVideo agents are also so powerful in video. Yeah, just Google, search. So not the DaVinci, no, not the DaVinci. This one, AI Video Maker. This is also too powerful. You will be blown away by this output. We use InVideo AI. I use InVideo AI also parallelly. So mix and match of everything. InVideo generates 20-minute video also. I don't know if you click on the pricing. I don't know how much is it in US, but in India again it's like 2,000, 3,000. Okay, this is not bad. But you can use the older models for free, as in the latest models will have credits. So the part which you see where it says sedans, VO3, Cling 3, the one which you just selected, when you scroll down, you selected the text, right? All models, sedans, VO3, Cling, all these are different video generation models. The good thing about OpenArt AI is it uses all OpenArt vibe direction. So if you go to OpenArt AI again,
Let's see what is the pricing on there.
it uses all the models put together, OpenArt.ai. If you scroll down,
This is also not, it's not also expensive. It's also not expensive.
23 should be good for, I mean, the $50 one, you will play around with it a lot. 24,000 credits. Even if you pay $50, Wondershare is $175, which is still okay. That you get,
But I'm not developing if I don't have time to even create videos.
yeah. So if you scroll down, I'll tell you the part. If we script, we can go back to the home, like instead of pricing. So if you scroll down, no need of directing. It works like ChatGPT. If you scroll down, further down. Okay, maybe it's logged in. No. It gives the kind of models which uses. Okay. Please click on the logo once, maybe.
Which one? Film and stories. That's what you want.
No, it uses all the models, not the music video or inspirations, but let's go back to OpenArt main page, like not the suit and home.
Where is it?
I mean, if you go the URL, just let's delete the suit and home A. Let's go back to the the original landing page. Yeah, if you scroll down, further down, if you scroll further down, no. Yeah, the videos by chatting is okay, but if you scroll down further, it shows the models further down. More.
Top models.
Yeah, there you go. So this is what I was talking about. Now, when you say which tool I should use, which one tell me to go and all, so almost all the language models which are there for video generation, Grok or VO3, Sora 2, Kling. So the good thing about Vibe Direction is it uses Nana Banana Pro Images, Sedans. It works like 15 to 20 people in a creative AI studio or probably like VFX studio. It adds all the elements and put together like a 3D Disney Pixar style.
Yeah, let's do it.
You will love Vibe Direction. In fact, you become a director like.
I want to become a director. I just want to stick with exam mastery. That's why I need people like you. So if we get this, so let's do business. Okay. If we stick with OpenArt and you help me build this, so what do you need? So for you to be helpful and to be also profitable for you.
As in, we will continue building the community, or we'll work towards whatever the vision which we have.
Now, I need to really know for sure you're going to benefit. Not just, I'm not, if you look at my, I'm going to share with you my communication group. The way this page.
So, I mean, the sad part about business pages on entire social media, be it Facebook or LinkedIn, is to generate revenue for their ad network, which is again helping people to run ads on the LinkedIn page. Because the reach is much lower on the pages, the business pages. Many people do not engage much.
Yeah, so my goal for having this is most of my customers will be on LinkedIn.
Yeah. So we use your profile as the main funneling because people engage more on the individual profiles than the business pages. And
Yes,
the
but
same
if
kind
I
of
want to put the
reach,
content,
yeah.
if in my page, the content will go away, right, after a while.
No, it'll be still be there. It'll still be there. It'll be still under. I'll show you. It'll be under your profile. So if you click on
Why is this page
approve,
looking like this? Oh, he has posts here.
that's
Show
okay.
all page posts.
So if you test the same post on
Yeah, I
your
got it.
individual profile, the reach engagement will be much better. And I mean,
So I should repost this.
yeah, you can always repost with whatever your thoughts. This will come on to. This is getting reposted again on the business page. There's a small drop down arrow. No, no. So if you discard, uh, so here there is a drop down, right? Like, huh. So now select your profile picture, save. Now hit repost. Now this way, now if you click repost, it goes on to individual profile. It's there only. If you scroll down, click on repost and repost with your thoughts. Now this comes on your profile, on your individual profile. But the reach is still low when shared from business page to individual profile because the algorithm says at some point of time, once the business page is grown, it will still say run ads or grow the followers and all that. But whereas in personal profile, the reach can go up to lakhs of impressions depending upon the piece of content.
So what I'm doing is, how do I improve my strategy right now? Right now I have this one. I haven't even posted on my personal profile at all. These are all Atul posting them.
Yeah. So if you could, I'll show you what. So could you please give me remote control once? I'll show you one quick example before we close.
Okay, how do I give remote control?
Yeah.
Confirm.
Okay. So if I go back to your profile,
Did you go?
no,
Okay, it says open system settings, privacy.
yeah, just
As
approve remote control. Enable. You have to enable.
I did that, but it's also saying go to system settings, privacy and security.
Okay, I think I have now.
Oh, yeah, it says.
You have to select LinkedIn. LinkedIn, as in if you scroll down, accessibility for Chrome should be there, but you have to click on the plus sign accessibility. The below Zoom. Chrome. Zoom is there.
Zoom, where is Zoom?
It's in the list. No, not here. That's okay. As in,
Oh, privacy and security.
so if you scroll down, you should find Chrome under accessibility. Yeah, the plus sign. There's a plus sign minus below the zoom, right? Yeah, there you go. So Zoom has now
Allow the
the.
application to control your computer. Okay.
That's fine. So
Now you can try it.
yeah, now I have access. So what I do is I click on view profile. So here we have 3000 followers, 500 plus connections, 252, but the post impressions is 54. So this is your individual progress for last 1 month, depending upon the piece of content. When we upload a video, we get more views, but the same post which you post on business like Axiom Mastery, you can post it on your individual profile. So when I go to post with your picture, like your profile picture or probably party yesterday's image, that will get more engagement. So if you post an image from the party and add some AI element to it, because there is human element, right? People respond, they'll have probably 4,000 impressions because it's your personal image and people respond to you aligning party with AI or probably some analogy or metaphor from the party to that. So because now this is a repost, only 29 impressions. Probably, so everything which you shared in the past 1 year, that'll be always there under, so this is like 1 month old. I know for the fact that you want to keep it professional, you don't want to spam other people and all that, but so this one is like I'm speaking at this, so this one has 1255 because probably 20-30% of this is your image and there's lots of text. So what the algorithm does is, if it's there only your eye or if your picture or there's little text, it's not like spamming, and it says okay, human interacting with another human, and it gives in the feed to another 20 people, another 30 people. So as many people hit like, it increases the reach.
I see.
I mean, people love watching what's happening in your life, not apart from the graphics or infographics or. So I'll show you another example. What's her name? ClinicianStories. No. There's one.
So what should we do for increase our posts? I can post. So he's generating the content for me, right, Abdul?
Yeah.
I don't have to generate the content. So how do I use that content he's generating, and he can put it on that page because he works on India time.
Okay.
So what instructions can I give him that I could repost it on my machine? So how should he generate with his picture and my picture, or some pictures of people, or go back to if you have to critique the pictures that he's generating?
No, he has to use your own personal. In case if you go to Jay Shetty, let's analyze this guy. He has got over 700,000. You follow him. So if you look at, or if you analyze his posts, let's go to now most of his content is video. So look at the kind of his personal images. Probably this is from a recent meetup or something. This was 11 months ago. Probably a product launch or something. So probably he tagged, and whenever there is a hyperlink or a .com, again the algorithm reduces the reach because they don't want people to go away from LinkedIn platform to another platform. They wanted people to spend more time on LinkedIn. So they don't want a reroute, or they don't want they wanted people to spend as much time as they can.
Let's see his engagements. Can we see his engagements?
Yeah, 17 comments, 33 reposts. I mean, Jay Shetty is like author, leader and all, but let's see.
He's a rock star, right? Like in social media?
Yeah, I mean, he's like that monk, right? Earlier he had been through monkhood. So all these are videos. So he's routing all the shorts and reels to this.
You know about this guy?
Yeah, we follow him. We know lots of other folks. In fact, Gary Vee is like the ultimate guy.
We found this guy.
If you follow Gary Vee, you will be blown up. I mean, Gary Vee says upload hundreds of posts every single day on social media, be it on LinkedIn, Instagram, be it on Facebook. We follow Gary Vee.
How many does he have followers? 5 million. Oh shit.
No, Gary Vee is like the leader. He's the beast. He's the beast like Tony Robbins, or he's like Oprah Winfrey for marketing folks. If you follow him, he says there are days when he uploaded. Even last week he uploaded 432 posts in single day. His team does it. He has got his team. If you listen to Gary Vee, you will be blown up. The kind of advice which he gives and all. He curses a lot. He uses adult language.
Yeah, but see, what I want is somebody to follow him and do it for me. because I want to be focusing on. I don't want to be in the marketing space. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's not me. Right.
Atul might be knowing all these folks also.
No,
Uh,
he's a kid. I just hired him, so I need to coach him.
no,
So
he. So there is like the
Atul is a
other.
very hardworking kid. So he just finished college, and I just took him.
Yeah.
I found him on LinkedIn
Okay.
because I
So
liked his way of writing. So I said, okay,
okay, maybe I'll exit the full screen here so that I can navigate to my laptop. The other guys who are, I mean, the people who play with LinkedIn algorithm is Jasmine. So this guy, I mean, if you say what, if you want to instruct, yeah, Jasmine,
Jasmine, this
not
one.
not any. So I'll show you. He should be here. One sec. I'll get you his. ALIC is his last name. Space ALIC. ALIC. Okay, let me type that in. ALIC. So these guys are the leaders
Mhm.
because I've seen them grow from thousands of followers, like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 followers to they have crocked 300. So 100,000 followers, and they sell the uh, whatever they wish to achieve. So I mean, the advice is all the same. When you have your personal images, mix and match of personal images, you can ask Atul to study them, and if he observes the pattern, you will know. Because again, probably like a group image, this is again like a carousel. He has like 5 6 images, a selfie from the conference. She's the one I was talking about. This lady, she's also a beast. She started with 100, 200. She charges $1,000 to $2,000. I'll show you her as in uh, link up is her website, as in her business page and all. If you get time, you should go to the conference. Let it be $10,000 or $20,000. But that lady who is there on link up, this is from one of the conferences. But let's go to link up. Uh, so this is her page. Like this is his business, but so the thing, the another hack which they do is they use the word keyword LinkedIn. In many of their posts, they use the word LinkedIn, and LinkedIn algorithm will increase the reach. There is some set of keywords which needs to be used always within the every post, and they crack the LinkedIn growth by using Galaxy. If Atul uses your Galaxy for your LinkedIn, it'll blow up. It'll blow up. Galaxy is like a tool like Apollo,
Mhm.
and all of these people they use Galaxy, like probably $15 $20 or $30 again. Okay, this is okay $30, but even the Pro plan, even if it tests the Galaxy by using the Pro plan, what is the advantage is it will suggest what to post. Probably he might be aware of this also because he's into
But he is
marketing.
not. We were just discussing. Me and him work together on this. So this is good.
And people use Clio also. Clio is this lady's the image which I had shown you of that lady. Uh,
Uh-huh.
all of these people who crossed 100,000 followers on LinkedIn, they have used Clio as their LinkedIn growth agent. It's
Okay, but
kind
you
of
need to keep it simple. Which one should I use? Clio or this one? You know my situation. Tell me which one and I'll follow you. I don't have time to think through which one is better. Galaxy or Clio for my need.
you can go for Galaxy for time being. And one moment, let me show you the lady's profile. Clio. So just follow her. I mean, do not invest in any tool right now. Just observe whatever she's doing. She has got 300,000, but she can go to. We've seen
Give
other.
me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I just want to write these names for Atul.
He'll be there in the history. Like that's okay.
Jasmine,
Okay,
Ali.
sorry. Uh, I'll do one thing, Chuck. I'll send you all the links of these
Okay.
folks, and just give me 1 minute. I'll send you all these links on WhatsApp. One sec.
Uh-huh.
The deal mode.
Deal mode, MODE.
Okay, deal mode. Okay,
Remember I saying that to you?
maybe. I mean, I'm unable to recall. Maybe.
Okay. So there are people when they transact with other people. Okay. There are some people like you who are like more like a giver.
Yeah.
You're not thinking what is in it for me all the time, right? You're always thinking, how can I help?
Yeah.
Right? Of course, you always have to think, how can I help? But you also have to think, how can I generate value for myself?
Yeah, and I follow the Google 7411 marketing strategy. In fact, this is what I do with almost everybody, even with nurses or with clinicians.
Okay, so tell me, I see, but that is just marketing and engagement.
Yeah, that's
And
again
that is just
having
that's your
engagement,
discipline.
touch
That's your
points.
discipline. That has nothing to do with, that is a marketing thing. That's not sales.
That's right.
Marketing is, this is a good marketing methodology. When looked it up when you told me about it last time. Okay. So it talks about, they've studied the human behavior and human touch points and how human makes come close to a decision,
Yes, right.
right? That's fine. That you are disciplined and you can do that, which I like about that, right? You have some basic skill sets that you developed over time. But what is fundamentally important in making money is being in a deal mode. Okay. I'll do this. What will you do for me? How are we going to make money? If you're not making money, don't bother. Don't waste your time
Yeah.
because you have a family to take care of. You have a kids to raise, right?
Yes.
So you may not be going for fame and reputation and appearance and all that stuff. Some people are motivated by that.
Yeah. As in,
What makes me look good? What makes me feel good? What makes me, they're looking at some other intangible values for themselves. Will it push me further? Will this benefit? Where can I get value out of this if I take this project? Right? So they're always thinking, what is in it for me? And then there are other people who are not sure of their own value, but they're hoping somebody will show them the value. Right? Those are the two guys that the Python group guys.
yeah.
Right? Sonu is a deal maker. He's always saying, Mera kya hai? He knows how to, he's very smart. No, I'm not discounting him at all in his skill sets and his approach. Right? He's always like his show, brand, you know what I mean? He performs,
Yeah.
right? Which is fine. They have a value too. But for us to make money, we need them, we need everybody. It's not like they're bad or good or something. They have their own place in the team, right? But what I need you to really pay attention is, how is this going to benefit me? Short term, long term, immediate. Because your time, you have to value it. I mean, you can give,
Yeah.
you can spend the time to build relationships, create teams. That's never a waste of time. Or nurture people.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If I'm giving something, I'm benefiting somebody in some way, but I'm also have to look for what I'm going to get out of it. Always. Right? So
Yes.
one of the things I want you to do is really not say Sonu can do it. Yeah, Sonu can do it. But I want you to say, how can I benefit from this? How do I take advantage of this opportunity? Not Chuck help Chuck. Chuck will be fine. Chuck knows how to make money, how to go fun. He's like in a very comfortable spot. Okay. So Chuck is not really asking for help. He's asking to partner somebody who wants to make money.
Yes.
Right? I don't have a problem. I don't need to make money. I want to partner. I want to build an ecosystem where I can retire easily with people taking care of it when I'm not there, who can own it. And that's why I'm grooming Atul and I'm grooming a few other people. Because people who are what I see as not just business value, but sincere human beings.
Yeah, and we build communities. In fact, I got to know Sam Owens or all these other folks only because of Siddharth Rajshekhar. He built over 200 crores in India. He charges 10 lakhs per year and all. I'm part of his community. The reason I say is this is his free webinar. Talks about AI Coach Launchpad and all, but it's 11 a.m. It runs every single day, 2 to 3 hours webinar. But at the end of the webinar, he sells. It's a free webinar. Probably you can ask Atul to watch this. At the end
Yeah,
of this
send me the
webinar,
links. I'll make Atul watch it.
yeah, at the end of this webinar, uh, he pitches 7 to 10,000 product, like $100 product. In the $100 product, people get to know how to build the communities. Now we are already 50,000 plus marketers, like everybody making 1 crore to 20 crores online. It's called Internet Lifestyle Hub. My energy, my strategies. In fact, whatever I do online comes from these set of folks. We are like 50,000 plus. Siddharth is somebody who ran ads for Tony Robbins, Brian Tracy. Um, the community is like 50,000 plus. Okay, this is
But
his.
what is your presence in US?
My presence, we have some couple of community folks uh, from Internet Lifestyle Hub. Um, he did it through Lovable and all that. So if you scroll down, okay, sorry. Uh,
So do you make money from this group
yeah,
or
we
you just
make
get leads or
yeah, I make money from this group. How, you may ask? Because of the Nalanda X community. Nalanda X is um, his go-to strategy for building uh, offline city meetups, like the way people meet in offline events.
Mhm.
We all meet in all the metro cities every month. I meet in Hyderabad every month with bunch of marketers, like the way which we had the AI
But then do you
meetup.
charge for those meetups or
Yeah, 1,500 bucks or 2,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees is what
Mhm.
they charge every month.
Mhm.
But if you attend or if you're part of Internet Lifestyle Hub, I'll show you this guy. If
No,
you
but I
want,
want you to build a community, not be
yeah,
part of a community. Build an AI mastery community.
yeah, AI Mastery Community is something which I'm doing it through Video Therapy Network or through AI marketing. So the strategy, I'll come back to Sam Owens or all these guys. If you listen to any of these stories, now the core of everything which I do in building communities, we know the future is all about building communities. If you watch his videos or if you watch his playlist, thousands of people are there. The people who made 1 crore, 20 crores per annum, like the people who. So this guy went up to 9 crores of debts, but he made a 35 crore revenue. If you listen to these folks, these are genuine folks, uh, and all of them are part of the ecosystem. Now, whatever the Axiom Mastery community which you are saying, it definitely works Now this guy has got multiple silver play buttons. We are all part of the uh, same framework. Earlier we used to use Mighty Networks, but now we use Tagmango. Tagmango is the place for all the influencers online. So Blair Singer is part of Tagmango, Siddharth, Dhruvrati, all these people they have 5 million subscribers. The Beer Biceps guy, Macatrum is again from Success Resources, Success Gyan. They're all Joel Bohr student.
Yeah, but Raj, you're not listening. I don't want to be part of any network. I want somebody from that network on my team, or somebody who's capable of building a network on my team.
Yeah, so building the community of
So,
Axiom Mastery follows the same framework of
but then
engaging.
you own it. I don't own it. You own it. If you want to build it, you own it.
Okay, so I mean, routes back to whatever school.com is doing. So now, let's say Axiom Mastery has got uh, 10 people or 20 people. If you need another 1 lakh people, so this is like if you explore these communities also, now almost all these folks are quite active on LinkedIn also. Because I'm part of school.com, couple of communities. Um, so probably you might have seen his videos online. He goes interviewing all celebrities and all. So building mini communities, be it Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, or now Axiom Mastery is a one-stop place for other people building their own communities. Is what you're saying, but we
No,
have
no,
to.
not. They're not building communities. They're basically it's a community for instructors.
Yeah, LMS model, like a LMS model where they sell their own courses or mentoring
Not even
or
process. It's about cultivating mastery.
yeah.
Okay, so it means there is a particular methodology to it. Okay, it's a particular approach and a particular philosophy and a particular type of where the idea basically is in the age of AI, we want human being to be in the master of AI, right?
Exactly.
Either you master AI or AI will master you. That is our mantra.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Axiom Mastery is a technically sophisticated platform, not a content platform. Okay,
Okay.
it is a technically challenging platform where it's not just anybody can start a community. Okay,
Okay.
I mean not any not no no anybody can start a community, but not anybody be a instructor in the community. It's not like anybody can be an instructor. You need to have a certain way to create challenges. You need to create, you need to be able to pass judgment. It's not technique, it's judgment.
So we need to sell the platform, right? We need to have more people coming and signing up on Axiom Mastery.
Exactly.
So that happens once we build social trust, social proof, uh,
Exactly.
and the social
Exactly.
trust, social proof. The game which we play is all the same. So like
Yeah, I don't know that game and I don't want to learn that game. I want somebody to who knows that game on my team.
so I mean for people to sign up, how to become masters of AI like human
There are
element.
already masters. So this is where my go-to market is very simple. There are people who are already on LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, who are doctors particularly, right? Who are actually posting about AI and how to be a better doctor in AI. I want that guy who's going to teach other doctors. A lawyer teaches other lawyers. A teacher teaches other teachers. A content creator teaches other content creators. A programmer teaches other programmers. So it is not like anybody can join a programming influencer, right? Because when it comes to judgment, I can just, anybody can be getting trained by a doctor. It doesn't make any sense. Only a doctor can train a doctor. So a community who, the, I'm only selecting 50, 60 people who are already have some amount of followers. A doctor who has many followers, a teacher who has many followers. Now he now has an ability to monetize.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
Yes.
he will only market himself. So our community builder, let's say you are the community builder, you're going to coach him how to build his community according to our guideline.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you will be like the head community guy. And then when we onboard these people, they don't know anything about communities. You have all the skill sets. They're not coming for community building. They're coming there because they believe in AI and their passion for AI. And they have something to share about their judgment. And they want to make sure the doctors don't abuse AI.
So if I had to use, I mean, Doximity is one of the platforms, which is again, which has got millions of users. It's only doctors network. Like LinkedIn, for doctors is Doximity.
I see.
So because I
Yeah.
worked with
So here the
clinicians,
top guys here would be our influencers, right? So here they're not making money, or are they making money here?
they are because all of
How
all
are they
of them
making
are
money here?
physicians or clinicians.
How
Uh,
are they make money here?
they sell their own articles, courses, whatever we do on LinkedIn, they do it on Doximity.
But how do the people make money on LinkedIn?
Everybody is making money on LinkedIn. Even this lady is making millions of dollars
No, no, but
every.
they're influencers.
Huh.
But
Those are influencers.
so Doximity may influencers. How do they make money?
Doximity also again they sell like courses or where you call where is again it's consulting model one to one. Everybody now to cut it down
Yeah,
as in they all follow the same funneling methodology. They all make money through one to one consulting for sure.
yeah. So
Like the
exam
AIDA
mastery is
funnel.
not one to one anymore, right? It's one to many.
Yeah, it's both. As in, initially nobody pays them the first stage, but as the funnel goes through, so either they sell one to many or one to one. One to one will be $2,000 to $3,000 or $5,000, or it can go up to $10,000. Or if it's a speaking engagement or a keynote speaker, they make $20,000 to $30,000
Yeah,
in
yeah.
one
So
weekend.
that is the influencer model. So exam mastery is very different. I need you to think about it a little bit. Exam mastery, go to exam mastery, right? Here, an instructor will create 1 hour workshops and he's charging for that workshop right away. So he's not like, so it's a $100 workshop, $20 a workshop, depending on doctors may charge $300 a workshop because AI skill is definitely they need. It is
So,
not like some
so
opinion.
what is the benefit for the doctor who creates that 1 hour workshop on Axiom Mastery? That's something which needs to be.
He's getting the whatever it's. Let's say I'm a doctor and I'm charging $100 an hour. You get $100. I get 30. You keep 70. I keep 30.
Huh, I understand the affiliate model there.
No, it's not affiliate. It is. It's let's say here they come, right. Say let's say
Yeah, I
Epic
make a
Health System.
commission and all that.
No, no. I'm just providing a platform for them. So
Yeah,
this platform has a lot of capabilities. Like this workshop, they can create challenges, and then they can train them on AI, right? And then they can evaluate them.
yeah. So almost all the tools are doing it right now.
No,
So
no, no,
only.
no, not. See, that is where I don't want you to think of everybody's doing it. There is nobody doing it. How do I explain that? Let me show you some documents because, um,
Just give me 1 minute, check. I'll just give me one moment.
sure, let me take it. Oh, you want to? Okay.
Yeah, check.
Okay. So you have access to the repository. Describe Axiom Mastery to a layperson who is new to the site. Why is it different? And how is it similar to other LMS sites? Is this site amenable to community building?
And also, probably please add how to generate leads. Like, where do we get all the new folks from?
Leads for this product, right?
Yeah. Leads are all on social media. LinkedIn has 1 billion people, YouTube has 1
Yeah.
billion people. But how do we bring them to this place is again the methodology which we follow is doing videos every single day.
No. You still have to do Instagram. You still have to do videos. Content creation is a big part of it.
Yeah. So the framework which we follow is again Siddharth's model, which comes from Sam Owens or Alex Hormozy and all the other influencers. The framework
Mhm.
which we follow is we invite them to a webinar. In the webinar,
So this is a platform that helps professionals practice better judgment with AI. Okay.
yeah,
So it's a working system for structured practice. Okay. How it compares to it shares some interface surface similarities with learning management systems, Coursera University. You discover joint structured learning experiences. There is a registration. Okay. Inverts the emphasis. Content delivery is secondary. The core activity is producing work that demonstrates judgment under realistic conditions. Okay. This design is well suited for organic community growth, though not typical social features like forums or open discussion threads. The primary is the ledger of influence. Learners who perform well can nominate domain experts, right? Because the model prioritizes earned trust over broader acquisition. So that is the whole idea, earned trust. Okay. And you'll see that in my communication philosophy rubric that I sent you, right? Referral groups already built in, institutional and cohort entry points, thought leadership that matches the thesis, workshops as a product demo, employer interest in the signal. So basically, we want to build communities within companies, not just outside the companies. It's a AI mastery community inside a company. So inside IBM, inside Oracle, inside Microsoft, we need to build communities, not like a social media platform communities, right? Uh, the platform does not rely on generic traffic or paid acquisition funnels. It grows by making the quality of human judgment legible and then letting people who recognize that ability bring others in the system. So it's a very different type of organically growth oriented community building. If you're a recruiter site for the first time, is the shortest path to understanding how the experience is different from ordinary postgraduates. The deeper mechanics, okay? Ask any other question you might want as a community builder.
okay. So what are the action items for the first 4 weeks or 3 weeks? Yeah, 3 to 4 weeks.
For who?
Yeah, for the person who needs to build this axiom mastery or to build the community or to have
Who
these.
is in charge of building the community?
We'll come back to building the trust.
Yeah.
Because only once the trust is established, people spend. And we've seen Mighty
Exactly.
Networks, we've seen ClickFunnels, Two Comma
No,
Club.
you're 100% correct. And that is the whole idea of uh, building. That is why I'm struggling to uh, take time to do this right.
No, if you create one video every single day, so there's nobody stopping us in promoting. If you say, Raj, okay, I'll take up your challenge or I'll create videos. So
Okay.
current state utilizing the OS.
So it's basically giving you, there's a lot of documentation you have to read. Businessmodel.md, tractionmetrics.md, workshop playbook, quicks.md, AI challenge authoring MD, admin operations MD, differentiators MD, pillar 4, and the communications rubric PDF. Not every place where referrals, instructor quality, or leaderboard visibility intersect with trust, right? So there's a lot of trust built into the system. Not every place where referrals, instructor quality, or leaderboard visibility intersect with trust. Pull in live data via admin tools or founder supported query. Current registered learners submissions. We don't have any right now, right? Record the active pipeline. Walk the full referral flow as a learner and as an admin. Document every screen required field. Schedule a focus session with the founder to align on success. Success criteria for this role in the next 90 days. Boundaries on outreach, tone, platform, which metrics will be treated as leading indicators versus vanity signals. Produce a one-page current community map, which is basically nothing. That shows active cohorts, top performing learners. So we need to get that, current instructors. So we need, how do we seed this is the question. So right now I'm stuck in seeding the community, right? Engage the existing pilot cohort. So maybe we should create a pilot, right? And surface genuine signals. So I can create a pilot once I have all of the
No, the thing is, people who don't pay money, they'll not be serious because they people who are serious will be the ones who pay and use. Because
yeah.
people who just come as a free account, they don't pay attention, they don't get results, they complain
Yes.
saying it's all the same
So
compared to.
you're absolutely right. So what I wanted to do is I have enough of a goodwill in the AI community. Okay. So I should be able to create workshops and bring people to my workshops.
Yeah, if we get 100 people, then we can keep the ball rolling. We'll have the momentum.
Exactly. And I can bring in people myself with my books and with my 3,000 people that are on my LinkedIn and other paid ads or whatever we
Now,
do.
LinkedIn can blow up if you create one video every single day for next 30, 60, 90 days. Laura Acosta, if you watch her Laura Acosta's advice,
Okay. So we can do that, right? And then install measurement and sustain. So then, okay, what is the potential?
yeah, all this anyway, it'll give the numbers in millions of dollars. Potential will be huge. So that's what we do. In ILH or Internet Lifestyle Hub, there's a complete roadmap for what can be done in the next decade. As in, what are the action items for
We
today
start
or.
with founder workshops.
But each workshop is not just for knowledge transfer or information sharing. Um the
It
thing
is
is
actually
again,
skill building. It is skill building.
and people learn only if it's live. If we say watch the recording replay,
No, it's
people
not
will not
recording, it's
watch
live.
it.
It's live, right? So basically, okay, starting
Yeah,
with exclusive lead founder signal is a low risk way to validate the core thesis. It imposes hard capacity ceiling, right?
potential is huge. Potential is huge. It can be millions of dollars.
Yeah. So
If you,
instructional
even if
delivery,
you put Axiom Mastery in the model of AI governance, we say we have the world's best model or learning network
or a workshop on AI governance, all they have to do is come to Axiom Mastery, or you say world's first AI governance workshop, or we can say world's best AI governance workshop, and you just speak about your experience, and we share all the information which Grok gives. There'll be lots of resistance, Chuck. If we ask directly people to pay $300, $500, they don't pay. Initial resistances will be.
No, that is not true. The people, some of these people that I talk to, they're willing to pay 3,000 for AI right now.
That is for the workshop.
Yes,
So
because some of
3,000
so the
is
one
high ticket, and you tell them you give them lifetime. Uh,
it's
because
not lifetime. Trust me, the prices are that high. I did the market, lot of market research on this one.
yeah, when you say $3,000, because people
No,
who
no,
know you, who trust you, might go and invest $3,000 to $5,000.
no. I'm not asking for 3,000. Some of these people without trust, they're ready to spend 3,500 because right now the market is so bad. People are asking me to talk free, right? Let me just assume a child, what is the lowest, what is the conservative estimate?
We say the lowest is again like a tripwire. We say $97 to $41 because they listen to us. Because
Yeah, but this Axiom Mastery is not cheap. It is not supposed to be meltable cheap. It's like the iPhone of, right? So this is how much we can make. So we can spend 10 to $20,000 easy. Right? I'm not trying to make money out of this. I just want to spend it all on the growth. Okay. And then I don't have to split 70-30 with anybody, except some transaction costs. Now, why would someone pay 350 to 400 for a workshop on Axiom Mastery? What should the value expectation will be? This is a deliberately conservative range. Based, okay, that is a conservative range. Okay. The price is question an investment in high fidelity event rather than access to content or instruction. At this stage, when founder-led workshops only, the primary reason serious parts would pay are they want an honest, consistent measure of how well they use AI to produce better decisions or outputs in a specific domain. Most AI-related offerings teach prompting techniques or deliver generic feedback. This workshop applies a fixed expert rubric authored by the founder to real work the participant submits. That returns a signal calibrated number, right? The value, visibility, and accountability. The score appears to sovereign leaderboard with a clear price. They are early participant in building credible signal. If the founders only phase, every workshop contributes to the corpus of. In short, the payment buys a structured operation will be one judgment tested against expert standards, scored consistently by AI. The value participants should expect. A well-run workshop at this price should deliver the following, and nothing more should be promised. A clear framing of the decision task being evaluated, including what good looks like at score bands of 200, 500, 800, and 1000. A chance to produce real work under reasonable constraints and receive AI-generated feedback that references the specific rubric criteria, right? A single defensible grade, a debrief session that surfaces patterns across the cohort. This is the most important value they get. Okay. And that's what nobody will give you, a debrief session across the cohort, right? An
You
adapted expert. Personalized coaching or ongoing mentorship beyond the workshop, guaranteed externally. So how to communicate? I mean, even if I reduce it to 300 or 200, that's not a problem. You know what I mean? Based on my research, if anything cheap would not attract the right people.
Yeah, but again, if we pitch directly, people won't buy because the method to madness is, we call it webinar selling formula. It's a proven framework. They have to listen to us for 90 minutes or 120 minutes on overall about what is exam mastery. So if we have it's not about a pitch deck. It's not about all the benefits they get through axiom mastery. Unless they listen to you for 90 minutes or 100 minutes or 120 minutes, they don't invest 300 to $500. Even the first set
I
of
see.
people,
I see what you're saying. So how much would you spend for a webinar like this? Free webinar.
free webinar is free, but
No, but how
people,
much would it cost us in terms
to
of time and effort and all
to
of that?
to do free webinars, how much it costs us, you mean?
Yeah. Because if we have to do two of them to generate the leads for this,
Again, it depends upon $1,000 monthly or $2,000 monthly to generate. I mean, to keep the free webinar going on. Zoom has got, the thing is, you need to have um,
so I think we are saying the same thing, Raj, because my content strategy is to generate the leads for this.
yeah. Where do we get the leads? As in,
We
we
can
get
do
the
it on
leads.
Instagram. We can do it on
We need to
YouTube.
run
We
ads.
can do it on LinkedIn.
For
Those three
running for
channels.
running the ads, we need to spend daily. There are people in India. Siddharth Rajshekhar spends $200, $300 every single day. In fact, he spends more. He spends the other people, the regular folks I know, they spend $10, $20 every single day to generate the leads from Instagram and Meta, because Meta is ads are cheaper and they run Zoom recorded Simulive webinar. The webinar is where they crack the code and people invest. Um, people
Yeah,
invest
they're
that.
investing their time, right? They're investing their time and then they go, come here and sign up. 100% agree. And
And
that is one of the things that I want to work with you on generating the content for.
yeah, so where does all this come from? Is they all use the same. They use all the funneling. Now to build Axiom Mastery, we need to follow this. I mean, ClickFunnels, they teach people the same. They say websites are dead, and they charge. Initially, is like earlier it used to be $97. Now it is $81 and all. They'll have, it's like a LMS model, but these guys have gamified the process. They gamified the entire
So we hire
learning.
them, you're saying?
Sorry.
We hire them or we still have to do the work?
No, it's completely a system. I mean, we can't hire anybody, because end of the day, the
Mhm.
two comma club awards are the people with 7 figures, 8 figures. Now, if you go watch them, Alex Hermos is one of them, Russell Brunson is one among them. All these other world leaders, they're part of the two comma club awards. As in, if you watch a couple of their videos, they say Axiom Mastery is nothing but, like, if they had to be on our platform, even if you have 1,000 people who will listen to you and invest $500 or $1,000, the scaling part will come only once we go back to the social media.
Yeah, so I agree. So I think what we are saying is the same thing. The way I have it is I need a content strategy in Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, right? Videos, taking the message out, right? It can be free. When I say free, free to the viewer.
Yeah, it can be free to the viewer, but people
Yes.
who watch for free, they have to take action. As in, they have to, uh, they
They
have,
will. They will. If the video is good, they will. If not, we do it again. Right?
we have to do thousands of different versions of video. In fact, if you go to, I don't know if you have Meta ad library here. Um, if you go to other people who are running Facebook ads or LinkedIn ads on the same thing which we are selling, there are millions of them. You can go to Meta ads library.
Hmm.
You can see who are all doing similar work like the way you are doing. Um
Yeah. So this is good. So tell me how to do content uh, for exam mastery.
yeah, you have to hit record. You have to take up your phone, or you have to put your phone 1 meter away. You have to record videos. If you don't record videos, it will be very hard to sell because let's say, okay, if we had to say Axiom Mastery in one word, I'm searching some ads under ad category of all ads within US. I'll say, okay, who are all running AI related? If I have to say Axiom Mastery is like a AI workshop, let's say it's a AI workshop. Okay, I'm just checking how many people are running ads within US on AI workshop. These are all active ads. So couple of them have video ads, couple of them has an image ad. So if you click on that ad, it's a free live webinar. You may never see this again and all. So when somebody clicks on it, the pixel gets tracked. So the people who scroll through the Facebook or Meta or probably the Instagram, in the feed they keep seeing the ad again and again. So YouTube ads are okay. People invest in Google ads also, like Google AdSense, but LinkedIn ads are way too expensive. We get a lead on Meta or Instagram or Facebook, which is again Meta. Probably you get a lead for $1 to $5, but we have to invest 5 times or 10 times if you go to LinkedIn. So this guy has got a live free webinar. We call this a landing page. Now Axiom Mastery should have a landing page. Now what we say in the landing page is the landing page should first, it should have the person who owns the product. So Axiom Mastery should have your page. So if I go to, for instance, just for uh, I'm just giving you one example. So there is this lady. I help her with videos. I manage her. So the first thing is, if I go to her page, first her image is there. The first frame is that. Again, probably here the three secrets or 5 secrets or 6 secrets about the community, and the kind of offer which they get. She's not an influencer, but she had made over 20 crores teaching what she has to do, and she's based out of Hyderabad, and she has built a community. And if I go to her other landing page, which I'll just show you in a while, I'm just giving you one example. In one niche, I go to her second landing page, like LP2 Geeta Miklinini. So this is, if we run an ad on Meta or Google AdSense or YouTube ads, this comes to this landing page, and the speaker, we are all part of Internet Lifestyle Hub Siddharth. So this is like learn the 3 secrets. This is a webinar selling formula, SAM-1 strategy. It works. It's a fail-proof methodology. So somebody signs up on this masterclass by investing $1. People who don't put $1, this is the least resistance. They'll not invest $300 or $500. So we call this a tripwire. So people, and we give this as a limited offer. They refresh it, they get the offer again. But people who show interest will only join the community. People who invest in the workshop will, people who pay this $1 or 97 rupees will listen to that 3 hours. They don't listen to 3 hours unless they see lots of value. So we say we teach 3 secrets. In fact, in Axiom Mastery, we say we teach 3 secrets or 5 secrets and all. So here, every coach teaches the framework, and we have some proofs as testimonials. Like this is a testimonial from a lady as a social proof, because people don't listen to what the coach says or what you say about Axiom Mastery. People listen to what other people say about Axiom Mastery. So,
Yeah, so this is nothing like what I want, because what I want is uh,
we
this is
we need leads,
this is
right? We
not
need
where I want to
leads.
be.
We need leads who will join the community.
No, no, no. Then it's not a community. Then we need to think differently. What we are saying is, I want this to be, I want to be invisible.
Oh, you want to be
Okay.
invisible?
Yes. So I want to be not like, I'm not a loud, out there branding personality, right? That's not my style at all, right? So I want the message to resonate, not me. My message is very simple. And this is my passion too, is there is a AI and there is a human intelligence. I want to help humans face AI, thrive in the AI world, genuinely do it, not make money out of this situation.
So, if I have to say there's one competitor, who would be for us like Axiom Mastery? There's nobody in the market.
Huh?
Like if we say there is somebody who is doing similar to what we are doing in Axiom Mastery, is there
There's
any
nobody.
all?
There's nobody because everybody's trying to sell prompts, sell techniques. Everybody's afraid of AI and they want to learn. They're afraid of losing their jobs.
So this
So they're
guy,
trying to,
Alex Meher, is
so,
running ads saying AI is dead, which is again
yeah,
probably proving that it is it is about.
yeah. So there are so many like this where I can help you in terms of AI. You're going to be, this is not what I'm saying. I want you to master AI. I want to, uh, so you read the book, you'll understand my philosophy a little better.
But people don't. People don't. I mean, if there is no human element behind the brand,
Our
like people buy
communication is
Elon
inside
Musk,
companies.
people buy
No, no, no.
Elon Musk, then Tesla. You know that,
I
right?
am,
As
no, no,
in,
no, no. But that is not true. There are a lot of people who what you want to do is this is not a personal brand, really not a personal brand. This is more of helping people survive the AI age.
so in fact, selling the brand by itself as Axiom Mastery will be very tough because people buy people. People trust people.
No, no, that is true in certain markets. So from a like influencer market, yes, absolutely, right? So here we are building a trust network. So the only people that will buy from me are people that know me.
Okay.
And then the doctor who sells are only the people that a doctor knows. I'm not trying to create a huge following for a doctor,
Okay.
right? So within inside a company, a lead AI architect will be teaching his own community inside his own company. Okay. Outside, I don't care about it. Nobody cares about him,
Okay.
right? So it is all about the site is not to build trust. The site is to take advantage of the people who trust you.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So
So
so the trust is there before the site is there,
okay.
right? So I'm only doing workshops for people that already trust me because of my book or because of my other things,
Okay.
not because I'm saying trust me, trust me, trust me.
So okay. Now I see. Okay. So if somebody